Thank you, Ruben. Next up, the Dream Team talking about the Gold Rush.
Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to present about the gold rush and more specifically about how the gold got there and its effects. Okay.
All right, let's start with a brief recap of the gold rush.
To review, there were around 300,000 people who came from around the world to California in hopes of finding gold. They used a variety of methods to uncover the gold, including panning, using sluice boxes, and more damaging techniques such as hydraulic mining.
Hydraulic mining is a process where high-pressure water is blasted at mountains to artificially erode them and dislodge the gold. Then, once the gold is out of the mountains, sluice boxes or mercury can be used to recover it from the water, soil, sediments, and other debris. So how did the gold get here?
So around 200 million years ago, a tectonic plate named the Farallon went or subducted beneath the North American plate. This caused the Farallon plate to melt, and the metal, in the form of magma, rose to the surface, forming minerals like gold in the California coastline. Over time, the gold in the mountains got eroded by winds and rain, which caused it to trickle into rivers and settle in gravel.
Here are some effects of the gold rush.
So hydraulic mining releases mercury into the environment in two forms: waste material, which can contaminate nearby lands and aquatic ecosystems, and mercury vapor, which enters the atmosphere and can travel long distances before being deposited to land. Mountains in Malakoff Diggins, a state park, were dug out to form valleys. The dirt and rock that resulted from this digging flowed downstream, polluting the bay. So here are some pictures of Malakoff Diggins before and after the gold rush. As you can see, the mountain eroded due to the high pressure hydraulic mining jets, transforming the mountain into a valley.
Almost overnight, the gold rush transformed San Francisco into a booming city, and all of its and the city's population exploded from 1,000 to a staggering 25,000 people. Because of the rapid increase in population, city managers could not build enough shelters fast enough to accommodate everyone. Native Americans were also hunted down and chased from their homes in the mountains so people could not mine, or so for people to mine for gold.
The gold rush also caused a boom in the economy due to all of the people arriving in hopes of becoming rich. However, most people did not end up getting significant wealth from mining. The gold rush also increased the production of lumber and led to the creation of new flour mills. The increase in population also brought a need for clothing and housing.
So what are the impacts of the gold rush today? Well, to start, California's environment was completely transformed. Rivers' courses were altered, increasing the number of sediments that clogged riverbeds and lakes, and releasing enormous amounts of mercury onto the landscape. Lastly, hydraulic mining was so taxing on the environment that the government was forced to shut it down, even though gold mining was a multi-billion-dollar industry.
In total, $2 billion worth of gold was extracted from the area during the gold rush. Over 750,000 pounds of gold were mined, and an estimated 300,000 people participated.
Thank you all for listening.